YouTube, what's good with y'all boys, man? We are back with another video. Bro, it's cold out here right now, so I'm gonna just start this car so it can warm up real quick while I talk to y'all boy. This shit is too cold. Lad. You probably think my PCV went out right now. Yo. So right now I'm about to take y'all boys for a little POV drive. Let me show y'all boys what camera we finna be using today. Seat warm on. Put this joint up to like. This is cold as shit. We're gonna be using this today for a POV drive, man. Right now I'm on my actual camera. But when we get into the car, I'm gonna switch to this camera right here, because this is like way smaller. You could take this part off the top and then you can see what you're doing from here. So I'm about to put the mic on the intake and the exhaust so y'all boys could get some little sound clips and shit. Look at the beast though. Let me know how y'all liking that chrome grill and that little white V brace in there. Listen to that idle. Yo, I think tomorrow I might throw my downpipe in. I need this shit to be louder. I need this bitch to be screaming.
Stop it. Get some help.
But hey man, look at that Beamer beanie though. Like I said, I'm about to take y'all boys for a POV drive. I'm gonna hook the mics up on the exhaust and the intake so y'all boys can hear some sounds and shit. It's too cold out here for me to be yapping and shit. Let's just get into this video, man. Hope y'all boys enjoy the vlog. If you're new to the channel, drop a like, comment, subscribe. Yeah man, let's get it. So chat, right now we out here, man, and my camera keep overheating. I don't know why. Hold up, I think Sydney calling me. The camera keep overheating for whatever reason, and I don't know why. I just pulled over for a little bit so it could cool down. As y'all boys can see, man, take a look over here. Shout out to that boy Chishi, man. Everywhere I go, y'all boys gonna see that. I'm supporting my homie. Hey, y'all see I got it on the pants right now. Feel me? Shout out to that boy Chishi. Oh my god. Yo, I'm about to get a diffuser, and I would love it. I would love it if somebody put my springs on. I guess that doesn't really matter for right now, right? I'm gonna just try to drive around and record with the same camera. If it stops, then it stops, man. If that camera keep overheating, I might send that shit back and get a new one. I actually like that camera, but I don't like it when it's overheating, bro. That shit don't make no sense. My machinery. I wonder how the color grade gonna look on here. Hey man, let me know if y'all like this lip right here, cause a lot of people, I'm starting to realize that a lot of people don't like this lip right here, but I don't really care. I fuck with it. Cause if you look at any other lips that's on this car, they're not gonna be looking like this. They don't look this aggressive. I'm not gonna lie, chat. I just got home. I just got this camera not even a month ago. Do not get this camera. It's called a DJI Nano. It overheats every 2 seconds, man. Like every fucking second. Now look at Sydney. But yeah, man, like I said, I just got this camera not even a month ago, and I was trying to record this POV for y'all boys, and this shit overheated at least 10 times. Maybe I'm exaggerating. I'm not even exaggerating, bro. This shit overheated at least 10 to 15 times. This shit pissed me off. I'm surprised if I even got a vlog for y'all boys right now. I don't know, bro. I switched my Action 5 for this because you could take this apart like this, and then you could just put this on your head, and then you have this for you to be able to see out of it. But look, as you can see, they're saying if you got mics connected to it, like I do right now, I got one in the engine bay and my exhaust. They're saying if you got mics on, you can't see out of the screen.
What the fuck is this?
It's just a whole bunch of shit going on with this camera, and I can't deal with that shit, bro. I don't know, bro. Hopefully I got a vlog. Hopefully I got a nice vlog for y'all boys and shit. I might have to return this and get my Action 5 back because I'm not doing this shit. I'm not trying to go out every day and think about my camera overheating for no reason. It doesn't make sense. Look at the biker short beanie, man. Oh my god, bro. That shit legit just pissed me off. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm definitely about to go in and edit this video. So I'm gonna take the mic off the exhaust and the intake. And yeah, man. Every time I try to go and vlog, some shit like this happened to me. I don't know why, but something's against the kid, man. But as I can see, this is where I had the camera mounted for the last POV. Oh my days. But yeah, man, if y'all boys enjoyed the vlog, drop a like, comment, subscribe. We on the way to 10K subs right now. I could keep dropping POVs like this for y'all boys every now and then. Feel me? Let's go get these mics though. Where I had the mics mounted, I got one right here. So let's just unclip that from there. Look at that rear end though. Oh my god. Oh my god. The other one is right there. As y'all can see, shit just chilling, and it didn't fall off. I'm surprised. God damn, I slammed that bitch. Don't get that DJI Nano, that shit will fuck you up. But with that being said, man, we out, bro.
Niggas how to rhyme. If you don't know who to call, just put Keon on the line. Asian nigga with a New York state of mind. Ballin' like I'm Jay Lynn back when he was in his prime. Looking to the sky, can you see the fucking skyline?